done something like this. So I'm very excited. But I have to tell you, the idea popped into my brain kind of short notice. So I quickly grabbed some wonderful people to help me. We have to practice. So we're going to just do this live for you the first time. We're going to do a little skit. And we're going to do our version of the Cat in the Hat. Okay? But now, because we are celebrating Read Across America Week and Dr. Seuss's birthday, right? So we are going to do our version of the Cat in the Hat. As you are watching or listening to our Reader's Theater this morning, I have a couple things. All right, I'm going to read what I typed up here, okay? During the skit today, please notice which characters act the Longfellow way. Look for integrity, respect, responsibility, and compassion, because that's what all Longfellow staff and students expect. So, as you're listening today, please notice which of the characters that you hear and see are showing live with integrity, earn and give respect, act responsibly, and practice compassion, okay? So, if my people can come on up. James is going to be brother, and Ari Hoffman is going to be sister, and Susie is going to be thing one, and I am going to do thing two.
And Longfellow students, it's going to be a lot easier for everyone to hear if everyone is being good listeners. So let's all quiet down. Thank you. So I'm going to use the microphone because I have the narrator part, kind of the big booming voice, and everyone else gets to just yell. Okay, or let me amend that. Speak very loudly. All right, here we go. The sun did not shine. Oh. So they sat in the house on that cold, cold, wet day. They sat there, just those two, until the brother said,
"Oh, how I wish we had something to do. It's too wet to go out. Too wet, it's too cold to play ball."
So they sat there and did nothing at all.
All we can do is sit. I do not like this. I don't like it one bit.
But then something went bump. How that bump made them jump.
Do you see him? It's a cat in a hat. Why do you sit there like that? I know it's not funny, but we used to have lots of fun. That is funny. I don't know what to say. Our mother is out of the house for today.
But the fish said,
No, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat that you do not want to play. You should not be here when your mother is not. Now get out.
said the fish in the pot.
But I'd like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot. I do not wish to go. I'll show you a good game that I know.
Then the cat ran out as fast as a fox, and the cat came back in carrying a box. Said the cat with a bow.
I'm thing two. I'm thing one.
They ran around and around fast. And said,
How do you do?
Then the cat picked up all the things that were down. He picked up a rake, the cake, and the gown.
That is that.
And he left with a tip of his hat. Then Mother came home and asked, "Did you have any fun? What did you do?"
Should we tell her about it? No. What should we do? What would you do if your mother asked you?
The end. The cat, the brother and the sister, the fish, thing 1 and thing 2.
Did you notice any of them showing integrity or responsibility or respect or compassion? I'm thinking about fish. And remember, fish said, "Oh no, we should not play in the house when our mother is gone. This is not a game that we should do." Which trait is that showing? Integrity. Good job, Kevin. That's showing integrity. And then I'm thinking about one more. I'm thinking about the cat. The cat made a mess trying to play a game. But at the end, what did the cat do? That's showing which trait? Responsibility. Very good. Boys and girls, if you have time this morning and you're needing a conversation in your classroom, maybe at the classroom meeting, brother and sister asked a question at the very end. They said, "Should we tell our mother what happened?" So maybe you can talk about that today in your class. What should they do? Should they tell their mother what happened while she was gone? You talk about it. Thank you for being a great guardian. Thank you for listening and showing all of the 4 character traits this morning. I appreciate it. Also, teachers, we are doing our monthly drawing, so please turn any week tickets in that you need to so that we can count those and get them turned in. Thank you.